Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this button pressing animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to resize the button as well as the mouse. I'm also going to add in a background so it's not super plain. If we have any loaded, I think I'm just going to use one from my library instead. Okay, here you go. Thank God I have these favorited ones. Alright, so I'm just going to put the button, the duration of it, really small, and I'm going to copy and paste it and make it longer. Then I'm just going to select the mouse button and I'm going to start where you can't see it. Actually, I'm just going to go where you can't see it first and place it place it here. I'm just going to add in a keyframe, and then at the beginning I'm going to put it down here so it looks like it's moving up. If it's too fast, I'm just going to then resize this a little bit, maybe like this much, and then put the keyframe there. Let's see, like that. And then on the second sticker, go to animation and select the bounce in one. So it looks like I'm pressing on it. If it's not soon enough, just adjust it like that. And you can adjust the duration of it as well here. Whoops, maybe not like that. Something like that. Or you can just add in the loop one, but only a little bit. Here, I'll show you. Just going to delete the duration of the in one, and I'm just going to select the pulse one, but I'm going to then split the sticker again, and on the third video, go to loop again and select none. So it looks something like that. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. You can also use this effect as well, this sound effect. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.